Hey guys, so today I'm here with an Ulta haul. It's been a long time, but let me show you some goodies I got from Ulta. Some of them I got in the mall, and then some of them I did get online, and I will show you guys which one I'll do the online first. Boom. I did get these from online because they were cheaper online. They had a promo when I got them versus when I went to the store. And it is the Joko, I'm not sure how you say it, Color Infuse Red Shampoo. I got the shampoo and conditioner, and it is a color depositing conditioner and shampoo set, and it's actually red. Super excited. I never really buy high-end shampoos and conditioners, but I really wanted to get a color depositing one, but most of them had peanuts and tree nuts in it, and if you guys don't know, I am allergic to that, but this one actually doesn't, so I was really happy, and I can't wait to try it out. Alright, next I did pick up the Morphe 35M Boss Mood Palette. Guys, love this new packaging from Morphe, by the way. And yeah, finally, I did use this. So, sorry, I made a little mess already. But it does come with this sheet where you get the shade names. But look at this palette. Sorry, I already made a mess of it. You can tell. My bad. But I actually love these colors, especially for spring. The purples and the greens. And I don't know why I've been loving green lately, which is really weird because I kind of look like a Christmas tree with my red hair and then the green eyeshadow. But it's fine. You know, I love Christmas time, so why not? But I love these greens. I've been having a lot of fun morphing in some of these greens with the greens from the Just My Luck palette from ColourPop. Really a lot of fun. They really build off each other beautifully, and these purples are to die for. Of course, basic browns and all that always work fine in Morphe palettes, but I was actually really surprised, especially by these greens. Heads up, by the way, these are super pigmented. At first I went heavy thinking they weren't gonna be, but they're actually really pigmented, so go light and build up. But so far, love this. Just two favorites that I really liked. I ended up going through like two of these, and it's just the Makeup Revolution foundation stick in F1, and I picked up another Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer. I absolutely love both of these products, so I did pick more of these up. I did get this one online because this is the one that they don't, it's the lightest of the shades. They don't sell this in stores, and I did pick this one up in the mall. But I absolutely love this stick foundation. This is number 1, and then the ColourPop would be number 2, but I really love it. That's the foundation and concealer I do have on today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please be sure to subscribe. I'm going to be having some more goodies come out over the next few weeks. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.